ZK Skybound Aviation, where luxury meets innovation and machines are not just reviewed, but truly understood. Today we dive into one of the most futuristic creations in the RV world, the 2026 BMW Motorhome RV *. The 2026 BMW Motorhome RV is a perfect fusion of dynamic design and aerodynamic engineering. From the front, the signature kidney grille has been reimagined for RV proportions, integrated seamlessly into a sleek, streamlined body. Laser-adaptive headlights add an aggressive modern edge, while active grille shutters improve airflow and efficiency. The body is sculpted with flowing lines that minimize drag and enhance visual appeal. The RV rides on 22-inch aerodynamic alloy wheels and features retractable side steps that emerge automatically when doors open. With integrated solar panels on the roof and an energy-efficient stance, the BMW Motorhome isn't just a looker, it's a smart traveler designed to cut through both highways and environmental concerns. Step inside, and the interior of the BMW Motorhome is like entering a 5-star lounge on wheels. The cockpit features BMW's signature curved display wrapping around the driver with a 12.3-inch digital cluster and 15-inch infotainment screen powered by iDrive 9. The steering wheel features haptic touch buttons and voice-activated controls, allow complete command of lighting, temperature, and entertainment. Materials include sustainable vegan leather, polished aluminum, and carbon fiber accents that reflect BMW's high-performance DNA *. The living area is spacious yet efficient with modular furniture crafted from lightweight carbon composite. A convertible sofa lounger with built-in massage and heating functions dominates the lounge, which also includes a retractable old 50-inch smart TV with 360-degree soundbar integration. The dining area features a foldable glass table with smart dimming windows that change tint based on the sun's position. BMW has introduced a smart lighting system with over 150 customizable ambient modes, allowing users to personalize every part of the cabin mood *. The kitchen area is a chef's dream on the road. It includes an induction cooktop smart fridge with inventory tracking, microwave grill combo, and even a retractable espresso station. All appliances are powered through the onboard battery and solar support with seamless touchscreen controls. Water purification and waste recycling systems are automated, reducing the environmental footprint while extending travel independence *. The bedroom offers hotel-level comfort with a memory foam, king-size bed, full climate control, and blackout smart glass for privacy. Hidden under the bed is a fully expandable storage area with automated lift function. A full-length wardrobe-led vanity mirror and intelligent clothing management system add a luxury hotel vibe. The attached bathroom features a rainfall shower with temperature memory stone countertops and a smart mirror with integrated weather news and health monitoring systems. * Powering the 2026 BMW Motorhome RV is a hybrid electric drivetrain based on BMW's modular claw platform with an inline-6 turbocharged engine combined with dual electric motors. This setup produces a combined 540 horsepower, ensuring smooth yet powerful movement across terrains. The all-wheel drive xDrive system guarantees traction even on wet or uneven roads. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour is under 6 seconds, impressive for an RV of this size. Regenerative braking extends the battery range, while the vehicle can travel up to 500 miles with a full hybrid system in use. The ride is incredibly smooth thanks to adaptive air suspension and intelligent chassis control, which adjusts based on road conditions and vehicle weight distribution in real time. Advanced driver assistance systems come standard, including adaptive cruise control, auto lane centering, highway assist, blind spot detection, 360-degree camera with automatic parking and trailer assist. BMW has included voice-guided parking and remote control operation via the BMW app, allowing users to maneuver the RV into tight spaces without being behind the wheel. Off-grid capabilities are enhanced with a solar battery management system, water conservation modules, and optional satellite connectivity for remote areas. * Connectivity and entertainment are unmatched in this category. Passengers enjoy high-speed 5G, Wi-Fi, AR navigation, and BMW's immersive lounge experience, which adjusts lighting, temperature, and audio based on mood or time of day. Everything can be synced with your phone via the BMW Digital Key and My Mode system for personalized control. Security features include biometric access, facial recognition, remote surveillance, and encrypted vehicle diagnostics. * With pricing expected to start around $275,000, the 2026 BMW Motorhome RV isn't just a luxury, it's a mobile lifestyle revolution. It is designed for high-net-worth individuals, digital nomads, and passionate travelers who want every journey to be first class. Whether you're road tripping across the country or escaping into the wild, this motorhome promises a blend of precision, German engineering, and uncompromised comfort that only BMW can offer. * This RV doesn't just take you from point A to point B, it transforms the space in between into something extraordinary. 2026 Volvo Motorhome RV is its sleek futuristic appearance. This is not your average RV. Volvo has gone above and beyond to give this vehicle a bold identity and a commanding presence on the road. With its aerodynamic structure, clean lines and signature Thor-style LED headlights, the exterior is designed for both aesthetics and efficiency. The wide stance and raised height give it a solid SUV meets luxury bus look that screams power and elegance. The front fascia features a sculpted grille integrated with sensors and cameras for advanced driver assistance. The large panoramic windows give it a luxury yacht-like feel while improving cabin lighting and exterior visibility. The RV sits on 22-inch alloy wheels with reinforced suspension to handle various terrains from highways to remote off-grid locations. Step inside and you are immediately transported into a Scandinavian luxury suite. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome RV boasts an intelligent interior layout crafted for both comfort and convenience. The living area features premium vegan leather recliners with heating, massage, and memory settings facing a built-in 65-inch retractable OLED smart TV. The cabin is perfect for entertainment or relaxation. The mood lighting system lets you customize the ambience from cool blue tones to warm sunset glows, giving each part of the day its own atmosphere. The kitchen is compact yet fully functional, fitted with a 3-burner induction stove, a touch-controlled oven, a smart refrigerator and a fold-out dining table made from recycled wood accents the kitchen island offers. Hidden storage compartments and pop-up charging ports for small appliances or digital devices, motion-sensing faucets and built-in water purification systems make clean water accessible even when camping remotely. The cabinetry is soft, close and magnetic to prevent rattling while driving. In the rear section lies the master bedroom suite equipped with a king-size memory foam mattress, adjustable LED reading lights, dual USB-C charging hubs and underbed storage for luggage or sports equipment. Overhead skylights and side windows with electronic blinds provide natural lighting by day and privacy by night. The walls are sound insulated using recycled acoustic panels to keep the bedroom peaceful no matter the environment outside. The bathroom in this motorhome feels like something out of a luxury condo, a rainfall shower with temperature memory settings, a touchscreen mirror with built-in skin analysis and an automatic flushing toilet system ensure the space is both hygienic and high-tech. The heated floors add an extra level of comfort, especially in colder regions. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome RV is powered by a hybrid electric powertrain combining a twin turbocharged 0-liter inline-4 petrol engine with dual electric motors and a high-capacity battery pack. This setup delivers around 450 horsepower and over 600 Nm of torque, enabling smooth acceleration even when the vehicle is fully loaded. The electric range is approximately 120 km, perfect for city cruising or low-emission zones, while the combined range extends up to 900 km. With regenerative braking to conserve energy during long hauls. Performance-wise, this RV handles impressively for its size thanks to Volvo's adaptive air suspension and active roll stabilization. The system adjusts automatically based on road conditions, weight distribution and drive mode, which includes comfort, eco and terrain. Whether you are climbing mountainous roads or navigating tight campsites, the RV remains stable and responsive. The all-wheel drive system ensures better grip in wet or uneven conditions, making it suitable for all-season travel. In terms of tech, the 2026 Volvo is nothing short of a digital marvel. The cockpit features a 15-inch vertical touchscreen with built-in Google Automotive Services, wireless, Apple CarPlay and 5G connectivity. The AI voice assistant controls everything from cabin temperature to entertainment and navigation systems. A smart HUD projects essential data onto the windshield, while Volvo's Copilot 360 system offers semi-autonomous driving, adaptive cruise control, blind spot mitigation and lane centering assist.